Okay, so today I'm going to seal up a fireplace hole. It basically, it's a hole on the side of the wall. The mortar is kind of broken off. So the first step will be to clean out all of the ashes and then wash the area to prepare it for the caulking that I bought. So I will need to sweep this whole area out and clean everything up. So this is the adhesive I'm using. It's a high heat mortar made by DAP, fire resistant, and reading the instructions on it, it says I need to clean it with water and a brush, and the area needs to be moist for the mortar to adhere. Okay, so let me move in a little closer, and got a paper towel here. Let me clean this out a little, clean it up. So the idea is to get all the dust and dirt out so I can fill this in with some caulking, and then and we can seal it all up. Okay, the area is clean and the area is moist. I basically scrubbed it and cleaned out all of the debris, and it's nice and clean. Got myself a spatula and I'm going to open this puppy up. I got some scissors to cut off the end. You want to cut off, I don't know, about that much, and put it in your caulk gun, and start from the back and fill it in, and just ever so gently let it caulk through. And I got the gun probably almost enough. Maybe a little bit more. That's good. And got this extra coming out. Gun. There we go. And I'm just gonna scrape it on. It looks pretty sealed. And it looks good. So let me just get this sponge and wipe it off a little, because I don't want it to dry with that kind of mess. So I've kind of wiped it up a little bit, and I just smoothed up the areas around so it just patches nicely. And then get a little closer so you can see. So it's nothing super special, but I want it to blend right in. So let's let this dry, and I will report back on how it came out, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so the instructions say to let it sit for about an hour before you turn the fire on. I'm not going to turn the fire on right away, but I got a heat gun, and I'm just going to warm it up a little, just so, I'll probably have a fire later tonight, but they said for a wood fire you need to wait at least an hour for it to dry. So I'm going to give it a little bit of heat. I actually have it on high. Let me put it on low. And I'll just do this for a few minutes, just so it looks really good. Looks like it's going to be nice once it dries up nicely. Okay, after running a fire last night and everything, it looks good. Try to put some light in here so you can see. It's you know, it's sealed up. This black stuff will kind of fade in with the rest of the tiles as time goes on, but it looks good. Thanks for watching.